Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to hide likes on Instagram. So most of you may concern about the likes count of your content or anybody's contents, but then some of you also probably doesn't even care about the likes that you earn for every content that you just post. So here, if you want to turn off the likes count on the Instagram account that you have, you just need to visit this tutorial. Now open your Instagram and you can see that in the down part here there will be 5 sections. Just go click this to visit your profile. On your profile, just go click these 3 straight lines on the top right corner, and after that you just need to go visit your settings and privacy. Right after that, you just need to like scrolling down until you found what you see, means that what section, what tools and what features that you can see on Instagram. So on the last part there will be a like and a share count, so you just need to click them. And after that, to hide the likes, you just need to turn off this button. And now you are done. Now you already turned on the hide likes, so you will never found the likes counts on Instagram. So that is the way, guys, how to hide the likes on Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next tutorial.